Hey there, Marcus here. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your Whirlpool microwave. So what you want to do is this. You're going to have the Whirlpool microwave, and right here, you're going to have a control rock. It's going to have an X there. And what you want to do, you just want to press and hold it for 3 seconds and you're done. That's how simple it is. So you're going to have your Whirlpool microwave, and there you're going to have a control lock. And what you want to do is you want to just press and hold it for 3 seconds, and it looks like this. The button, and just locate it. Maybe you're not going to have the hole there, you're not going to have name control lock, but primarily you're going to have the X there, and the X is the thing that you want to look for. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, you can write down below in the comments, so when other people would come here, they would know that this video is legit. And that's what you want to do. Press and hold control lock 3 to 6-7 seconds, and it's going to fix the issue regards to locking your microwave. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.